CSAT is easy. We will help you pass it. You focus on paper 1 and become an IAS officer. So let us get started. So this question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2024 from the concept of number of zeros, and they're asking you, if you have got this number, this huge number, then what is going to be the number of zeros at the end of it, right? So we know for sure that number of zeros you will get from number of 2's and number of 5's, right? And what is the number that we have? We have got 1 raised to 2, 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 6. One thing which is very obvious by reading this problem is number of 2's certainly are going to be more than number of 5's, right? So what is that we should be doing? We should be counting the number of 5's. If you're not understanding these concepts, pretty okay. I have made 3 detailed videos. You will find the link in the description box. Go watch those videos and you will understand what I am talking about. So what is that I am saying? Zeros will come from counting of 2's and 5's. Over here, certainly number of 2's are more than number of 5's. What we should do now, we should be counting number of 5's. Where do you get 5? Over here. If you look at it, 5 raised to 10. There's another number, 10 raised to 10. And then 15 raised to, not 10 raised to 10, rather it is going to be 10 raised to 20, 15 raised to 30, and then 20 raised to 40, and finally you have got 25 raised to 50, right? If you do the prime factorization over here obviously you have got 10 5's. In this case, how many 5's we are going to be having? Because 10 is 2 into 5, 2 into 5 raised to 20. Simplify this problem, it comes out as what? 2 raised to 20 and 5 raised to 20. What are we counting as of now? We are counting number of 5's, right? So how many 5's are we going to be having here? We are going to be having 25's, right? Now you see how many 5's are we going to be having in 15 raised to 30? 15 raised to 30 can be written as what? 3 raised to 30 and then 5 raised to 30. So number of 5's certainly will be 30. Similarly, in 20 raised to 40, how many 5's are going to be there? Pretty simple. That comes out as 5 raised to 40. And 25 raised to 50 can further be written as what? 5 raised to 2 and then 50. So this number comes out as 5 raised to 100. So how many 5's are you going to be having here? A total of 100. So let us count them all. In the very first one, you had 10, right? You had 10. Let me write it down over here. You had 10, and then 20 in 10 raised to 20, and then in 15 raised to 30 you had 35's, and then over here you have got 40, and finally you have got 100. So how many 5's are you going to be having in this problem? 200. Certainly number of 2's will be more than 200's. So how many pairs of 2 and 5's we are going to be having in this problem? 200. So how many zeros are we going to be having? 200. So what is your answer? Option number D. Isn't it simple? I understand that if there are certain things that you might not have understood in this particular problem solving. If not, please do not worry. As I said that we have made 3 detailed videos. If you watch them, you will understand this concept thoroughly. So I'm going to see you somewhere else. Till then, bye-bye and take care.